Continuing our Christmas themes, today's project is also a Christmas bracelet. I call it This Is Christmas. It is also reversible, depending upon what type of a connector you use to make it. It's a very simple one to make. We're starting out with a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands, each one being 15 inches or 38.1 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, both loops connected to form our cord. Colors we're using, red and green. Both of them are 72 inches long or 182.88 centimeters. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter, a presser or something. I use a modern spike. Tell you what, let's do it. Going through the side of both cow hitches. From the green from the right side up in between 2 and 3. The green from the left side goes over from the bottom up in between 2 and 3 and down to the loop on the right side, and it creates a figure 8 on the side, which is known as the infinity. Alright, now the red from the right side goes over across, then underneath, and then comes up to the loop on the right side. From the left side, the red goes over, down a angle, then comes up from the bottom to the loop on the left side. Now, slide it up, cinch it, tighten, and then pull. And then pull. Make it tight, but not really too tight. Alright, that's knot number 1. Here's knot number 2. The red from the right side goes under, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, goes off to the left. The red from the left goes over the first red, then from the bottom comes up in between 2 and 3, down to the loop on the right side. Now, green from the right side comes over, across, down, and up from the bottom to the loop on the right side. The green from the left side goes across, so it goes over and across, then from the bottom comes up to the loop on the left side. Same thing, slide it up, cinch it, tighten, pull it, strand it up, tight, and not really too tight, because you can over tighten this. Now that was both knots. Just follow along. If I go too fast, pause, or rock that may yell, scream. Here we go.
Tie knots by the fireside, right tight and true. Paracord snowflakes twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Paracord Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn. twisting and weaving till our cares are gone. Garlands wrapped around a tree so tall. It's a paracord wonderland for one and all. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. A paracorded Christmas, feeling just right. Braiding our dreams under mistletoe, wishing on a knot for the love we know. Peace and joy in each braided strand, a paracord Christmas in this winterland. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracord Christmas, feeling just right. Feeling just right. Tie knots by the fireside, right tight and true. Paracord snowflakes twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined. Gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, paracord Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn. Twisting and weaving till our cares are gone.